Hi, this is Walid from Mr. and Mrs. Vintage Typewriter. This video will illustrate for you on how to use a Corona 3 folding typewriter. This video helps also to use a Coronet typewriter or Corona special typewriters. When the typewriter arrives in its carrying case, it arrives in a folding position. To unfold it, you simply hold the carriage from the left and right side and fold it up. The mechanism sometimes is locked on the left side, so you have to unlock it by simply pressing down this lever, and now the carriage, shift capitals and figures are both unlocked. To talk about the keyboard has on nearly all the machines shift cap and on the two sides and figure caps on the two sides, left and right. Older versions didn't have figures and caps on the right side. Concerning the keyboard itself, it's called the 3-bank typewriter because it has 1, 2, and 3 banks of keys. So, to lock your capitals or figures, you press the cap and push this lever, and now it's locked and you can type continuously on the capitals. Same applies for figures. So, moving up, there's the backspace on the right side to go backwards. Now moving to the midsection in here, there's one lever on this side for the color selector. So you can use either red or black. Some other typewriters on the Corona folding typewriters had stencils options. Moving to the carriage, which has a lot of levers, okay? The main lever is the line spacing lever. To do any line spacing, you use this lever. The older versions was a pinch lever, so you can only, it didn't have a long lever, it's only a pinch mechanism to do the line spacing. On the left side in here, there's a lever, you can turn it to use one line spacing or two line spacing. The two levers on the right and left side I'm pointing at are the carriage return or carriage release lever. When you press any, the carriage will always be freely moving. So left lever, right lever, they both do the same mechanism. To release your margins, this is the margin release lever. So when you're typing at the end of your line and you need to continue, just press it and the typing will continue as you type. The short lever in the middle is made for releasing the platen. So when you press it towards you, the platen is released, and when you press it away, the platen is engaged. Finally, there's the paper release lever on the right side. To insert your paper, you ungrip it towards you, get your paper, insert, grip it again, and the paper is inserted upwards. To adjust it, you ungrip it towards you, then to make, when everything is fine for you, you just grip it again, and the paper is ready to be typed on. Finally, there's the two margins on the right and left side. The left margin to set up where you start your typing, and the right margin to set up the end of your line. To change your margin release, you press it down and move it left or right. Now moving to the ribbon movement, when the ribbon is empty at one side, you need to reverse the ribbon. There's no automatic ribbon reverse on these typewriters. Some in the later models, on the special models, they had it, but this one doesn't have it. To change the ribbon movement, you tighten the screw on the empty spool side and untighten the one on the full spool And now the movement will be from the untightened to the tightened movement, and I'm going to show you a small demonstration. As you can see, the movement is from left to right, left to right. To lock and fold the typewriter, you press on the left side lever, push it away, then hold the carriage and fold it inside, and now it's in a position that can be fitted inside the case. The pen should go in the hole under the space bar, and the back inside should go into these pins on the back, and the typewriter will fit perfectly inside the case. As long as it's locked, the case will lock normally. Hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and feel free to share our video on Facebook and other social media websites. Thank you.